Okay guys, no? Balitang SB19 tayo guys, no? So, ito, punta muna tayo kay Miss O, no? Very big shoutout po kay Miss O, no? Okay, papanood po natin video niya guys, no? Ito pong another 4 international news feature for SB19, Jolin Chai for emoji collab, no? Okay.
Get my face in, I'm in.
她是 emoji 女王九
Ano meron dito, no? Bakit merong 4 international na news? Okay, let's go.
林蔡琳与菲律宾人。
Another 4 international news feature for SB19 and Jolin Chai for emoji collab. Yes, more and more international media are covering the collaboration between two iconic pop stars, the king of P-pop SB19 and the queen of C-pop Jolin Chai.
I'll again. Lights hit my face
Okay,
in,
no?
I'm in.
她是
So
emoji
si Jolin Chai pala guys, no? Siya pala yung tinuturing na queen of C-pop, no? So pop music, no? Talagang si Jolin Chai po pala talaga, no? So ang ganda lang ng collaboration guys, no? Since SB19 is our P-pop kings, no? So sa pop music SB19 talaga, no? And then sa sa Taiwan guys, no? Si Jolin Chai po palang ang kanilang queen, no? Pagdating po sa ganyang klaseng style ng music or genre ng music guys. So ang ganda lang ng collaboration, no? Kumbaga nag-meet yung dalawang sabihin natin sa kotse, sila yung top of the line, no? 'Di ba? Sila yung top of the line, guys, no?
女王九令蔡琳与菲律宾人气男团 SB19 合作推出全新单曲。接着九令以暗黑女王造型现身 ，SB19 也以酷黑装扮登场，六人融为一体，武力全开，接
Alam mo, ang ganda lang makita, guys, no? Na makita mo ang SB19 na ganito, no? Hine-headline sila, no? Or binabalita sila na hindi natin sariling lengguwahe, no? Doon no makikita po, guys, yung level po na naabot na po ng SB19. No? At the same time, guys, si Jolin Chai naman, guys, no? Meron din tayong mga balita regarding dyan, no? Na ini-introduce din siya and binabalita rin siya sa ating, kunyari, sa ano bang mga, platforms like sa TV5, sa Unang Hiri, sa GMA, sa ABS-CBN, di ba? Pinabalita rin naman si Jolin Chai, guys, no? So, ayan, guys, no, di ba? Kung mga win-win situation po siya, no? Okay?
剧张力的演出超震撼，MV 曝光12小时就冲破50万点阅，九令在新歌上
Okay, no, base sa sinabi po niya, guys, no, yung SB19 daw, no, is sila yung pinakamalupit sa buong mundo, as in sila daw, kaya daw nilang hindi, joke lang. Wala sinabi ko yan, no?
出现前就迫不及待分享
Pero possible naman yun, di ba, no? Possible naman yun, guys. Suporta lang tayo talaga.
与 SB19 的 MV 形象照，抛出一张张合照。
Filipino boy band SB19 released a new song. Not only is the melody catchy, but it's unexpectedly.
So, di ba sinabi nga ni Miss O, no, na for international news feature for SB19, no? So, ito yung pangalawa.
In handsome leather pants, the queen of pop makes a commanding appearance. Jolin Tsai surprises with a guest spot, adding another cross-collaboration. Fans are going crazy for the vinyl. About to release.
Are there any love?
Then we have this feature from Macau Daily News newspaper and online site. Macau Daily News wrote, Jolin Chai and SB19 release a new song together. Philippine group SB19 has released their second album and their new song Emoji features a surprise collaboration with Jolin Chai. Jolin Chai said that this online creative collaboration with SB19 felt like a blind date. Our first thought was, what are we going to talk about? Jolin also thanked SB19
So, ito yung may gito, guys, yung sinabi niya na Jolin Chai said that this online creative collaboration with SB19 felt like a blind date, no? Our first thought was, what are we going to talk about, no? Kumbaga, ano siya hindi siya yung like dito may kita, guys, talaga na raw yung talaga nila yung tingin sa isa't isa, no? Hindi siya planado, hindi siya yung like months of usap-usap, no? I think siguro nagkakausap sila yung management, no? Pero sila, I think baka ngayon lang sila nagkausap nung nag-meet po talaga sila, no? So, pero tingnan mo, guys, no, despite na ganun po yung nangyari, no, na hindi man sila nagkausap ng matagal, no, napakaganda ng ng final output po, guys, di ba? Diba? Doon na makikita, guys, yung pag nagsama yung dalawang top of the line, no, talagang maganda ang kalalabasan.
for the invitation, saying, I really admire their passion for music and performance. The style and choreography of Emoji are things I've never tried before. And I had a lot of fun creating this song with them. I hope everyone can feel this energy.
Di ba? Siya mismo nagsabi guys no na yung style and choreography of Emoji no are things I've never tried before no. So a very big shout out syempre kay Riata no. Pero guys, a very big shout out po kay Coach Jay po no. Kasi ilang beses ko na sinasabi sa inyo no, yung style na pagsasayaw and pag-choreograph ni Coach Jay no, napaka-unique po talaga no. So siya lang inikita kung may ganong klaseng style ng choreography guys. Yung ganun. Hindi ko alam kung anong tawag ni Coach Jay doon. Comment down below or kung nanonood man si Coach Jay, no, comment down below. Let's go, Coach Jay. And then, ayun, sobrang kakaiba. Kaya napasabi talaga si Jolin Chai guys, no, the style and choreography of Emoji are things I've never tried before. No? So, ibang-iba po talaga guys. Okay.
Then, this news from Taiwan. Jolin Chai makes a stunning guest appearance on the boy band SB19, leaving netizens amazed it was destined. SB19, who swept the world with their hit single Gento, were invited to Taiwan last year to perform at the 2025 hit.
SB19 nag-perform sa Taiwan, di ba? Last year lang, di ba? So, ano mo yun? I think, kahit pa, napanood din ni Jolin Chai ang SB19. No?
Music Awards, where they delivered a stunning performance. Jolin also made a grand finale appearance that night, captivating the audience with her powerful performance, which led to a connection between the two. For their new album, SB19 specially invited Jolin to join the collaboration, injecting more cross-cultural and creative elements into the work. SB19 stated, "We are very happy to collaborate with Jolin. The new album symbolizes a fresh start, and we hope to express ourselves more freely, explore themes that resonate more with people, and face future challenges with a clear direction."
So maganda rito guys, no? Talagang kahit anong mangyari, no? Kahit ito na yung naaabot nila, no? Hindi nawawala po talaga sa kanila guys yung creative elements nila guys, no? Hindi nawawala sa SB19 yun, no? Kasi isipin mo guys, no? Pag gagawa kayo ng kanta, pwede ba kayo gumawa ng kanta na halos kapareho nito, no? Para hindi na kayo mahirapan, like kapareho na itong artist na to, baguhin na lang natin, i-revise na lang natin, no? Pero ang ginagawa kasi ng SB19 guys, no? Talagang iba iba sila pag gumagawa ng kanta. Gusto nila iba yung tunog nila, iba yung approach, no? So, yun yung tatak SB19 na.
The collaboration between the two parties resulted in Emoji, a blend of Brazilian funk rhythms and strong beats. Created by SB19 members Pablo, Ken, and Jolin, it depicts the phenomenon of modern people using emojis to mask their true emotions in social media, showcasing the gap between virtual images and inner feelings.
So, yun, no? So, sa mga...
The links to these features are pinned in the comment section.
Sa mga ano guys, no? Na, kumbaga, hindi ko naman totally, no? Totally guys na halos lahat ng detalye. Pero most of the details po guys nung kantang Emoji guys, so na-discuss ko na po siya, no? So I think ilalagay ko na sa comment down below or I don't know sa pag natapos tong video na to, ilalagay ko lang po sa pinaka-ending na itong video na to, na para makita niya po, no? Kung ano po yung meaning or kung anong tingin kong gustong iparating nung kantang Emoji, no? Kung ano yung behind ng maskara sa isang emoji po. So ayun na guys, maraming salamat sa panonood na itong video to, no? So very big shout out to kay Miss O. This point of signing out. Peace. Let's see.